Hello bastards, very quickly we're going to make Changezi today, chicken Changezi. Why do they call it Changezi? Well, back in time in India, Emperor Genghis Khan, they made a tribute dish for him and they called it Murg Changezi. And that's how they used to pronounce Genghis. They used to pronounce it Changezi. So there you have it. Anyway, I'm holding some tomatoes and onions. It's going to go in the dish, but that's not the fucking finished dish. Let's show you how to make it. Very simple. Come with me, bastards. I show you. So straight in here, we're going to go with some large cardamoms, some green cardamoms, little bit cinnamon stick. This is javantri, which is mace, some cloves, some peppercorns, a few fenugreek seeds, a teaspoon of jeera, which is cumin, and a couple of bay leaves. Throw it all in. This dish we make with the ghee, so in with a tablespoon of ghee, put some ginger, same amount of garlic, and we put some slit chilies in there, and then straight in with 2 medium tomatoes and 2 medium onions. I was filming this. Add a cup of water and let that cook away. Put a lid on and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Get about 500 grams of chicken diced, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, some ginger garlic, about a heaped teaspoon of ginger garlic, a touch of salt, Kashmiri chili, garam masala, coriander powder, cumin powder, and some turmeric powder. Add a splash of oil and then give it a vigorous mix. And there we have it. Step that to a side and we'll go back to the sauce. Take the lid off and our sauce is nice and done. What we want to do is let this cool down a bit and we're going to blitz it. Heat a pan, get some oil, just enough to cover the base slightly. Let that heat up. And then we go in with the chicken that we marinated very briefly. And we're just going to spread that out and let each piece separate so we can get these nicely browned on each side. And there we have it. Let it fry. Anyway, while that's frying, I'm so lucky. My wife thinks I'm really sexy. Every time she walks past me, she say, "What an ass!" So I'm just gonna go and give these a little turn, one by one, because I got nothing fucking better to do. And neither do you, bastard. Make sure you do this. Don't be shaking the pan like your Gordon Ramsay's fucking love child, bastard. Okay, in with the gravy that we cooked and blitzed. Banas, kusuri methi, which is dried fenugreek. Put some chilies in with some ginger juliennes. And now for the fat bastard stuff, some cream. Look at that butter. Give it a mix. And then just let that simmer down to the consistency that you like. But we have one finishing touch. We get a couple of knobs of butter and we put some degi mirch inside. And give that a little melt. And you don't want this to burn, you just want it to melt completely, that's all. There you have it. Put it straight over. Give it a little swirl. And there you fucking have it. A bit of greenery for the coriander lovers. Cilantro, I like the cilantro. And there is the chicken Changezi. Let's plate the bastard up. Oh, look at that. It looks fucking lush. Oh, I'm going to enjoy this. There you go. Chicken Changezi. Enjoy, bastards. Very, very simple. Dinner's ready, love.